I am requesting all the home ministers of all the states, please make sure that the police get their human rights. When you treat the police inhuman, then they go on a rampage and do such things. I believe some affidavits are made to be signed and some bonds and undertakings are taken from them and they are made to work like animals. 24 वरां काम केलें मरे मागीर कोणूय सुट्टलो आनी कोणाची मर्डर कोत्तलो. So please, CMs of all the states, if you need the police to file cases and arrest people, even under wrong circumstances, like I was arrested and like Mr. Malcolm Pereira was arrested, please make sure at least the police have proper facilities. 7 police स्टेशनाचेर हांवें फोटो काडल्यान दवरला CM सर. हे पुलीस तुज्या डिपार्टमेंटाचे. So if you all are doing wrong policies and you need the police to arrest us, please make sure at least the police have proper facilities. And I urging everybody to restrain themselves from abusing the police. Yes, it is true sometimes that things are going out of hand. Police are also working for us, and what the MLAs and chief ministers don't realize is that they are our servants. And they seem to be using the police against us, and we are the people who voted them in power. I CM सांगता, arrest, arrest, arrest. कागदार येयला, इतके पयशे येयले म्हणून, पुलिसान तालावन घातले म्हणून. कितें जालें रे? इस्टेटाचो दबो खाली केलो तुमी? That you are using the police to extract money in this COVID time after we have lost our jobs and businesses. Please think about it, and I seriously suggest to all the MLAs, मातशे बाबा असेंब्लीन येवच्या आदी ओ कॉमेस जावच्या आदी मातशे देवळान खंयतरी वचा मरे आनी उरलेले आहा ते कपेलान वचा आनी रोजार करा.